Hey guys, today I went over to Connect and grabbed an M18 Milwaukee impact driver. It's got 226 torque, it's more compact, it's still just as powerful and still has that power state brushless motor. Let's open it up and see how it goes. Look here, we have the hook already installed. It's quite small, nice and compact, feels solid. I like the metal here on the front, keeping it safe. Let's put that to the side and have a look at the charger and the batteries. Here we got the rapid charger. Fastest on the market, they claim. We'll have a test with that. Right. Boom, it clicks in just like that. Can't wait to test this out. Alright, now let's test my Milwaukee impact driver against Jack's Makita.
How does your impact driver feel like?
It's nice, it's got a lot of weight for it despite how compact it feels. I like how I can have a secondary bit in here to hold, and I like the shock protection on the bottom. Let's see how it holds up against yours.
Yep. First, health and safety. Put our ear
Of
protection on.
course. Boom. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I think that was a bit faster.
I think so too. I think the Milwaukee takes the win on this one.
Definitely. Thanks guys.